Injective is about to become much more deflationary. Cardano announces a new privacy protocol, and is Bitcoin still heading for new highs in October? This is your Altcoin Buzz News. Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Cody, and if you're new here, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you know when I drop the latest content. Follow us on Twitter, AltcoinBuzzIO, and as always, the not financial advice, and wish you the best of luck in your crypto ventures. Are you in our Discord yet? If not, you're missing out. We're publishing early alpha leads daily, airdrop tasks, and ecosystem reviews. You can participate in our giveaways and get a hold of the best projects in the market, and we're just getting started. Alpha members also get exclusive information on gems, leads, buy and sell calls, portfolio updates, and market reports. So what are you waiting for? Join our free Discord now with the link down below. Bitcoin's price is trading 7% below the local high of 66,500 reached on September 27th, but some analysts are optimistic that this correction could just be a reset of key metrics as Bitcoin prepares for massive gains in the last quarter of 2024. Jamie Coots, chief crypto analyst at Real Vision, said in an October 1st post on X, Bitcoin is near all-time highs, yet the valuation metrics have declined from extreme overbought in March to around 17 to 75% on the 4-year Z-score, called the Market Value Realized Value Z-score, which refers to the market value's relative position to realized value, which was negative 116% on the 3-month timeframe, negative 94% over a 2-year period, and negative 107% on the 4-year timeframe. This suggests that Bitcoin is extremely undervalued on multiple timeframes. The analyst also explained that Bitcoin's open interest is high, a key metric that investors use to assess market sentiment and anticipate future price movements. Coots also noted global liquidity is accelerating to the upside, adding that the pullback witnessed over the last 6 months has removed the excess bullishness from the market, positioning and creating the reset required for a major move higher. And a report by independent analyst Lynn Alden reveals that Bitcoin's price is historically correlated with global liquidity, with Bitcoin's value generally rising when liquidity expands and correcting when global liquidity shrinks. The chart shows that Bitcoin's price exhibited a strong correlation of 0.94 with global liquidity between May 2013 and July 2024, indicating a very strong positive relationship. Additional data from CoinGlass shows that Bitcoin recorded the greenest ever September in history, closing 7.29% higher on September 30th. This has led to speculations among traders and analysts regarding how Bitcoin might perform during the last quarter of 2024, which is both a Bitcoin halving year and a US election year. Bitcoin analyst Timothy Peterson said in his latest analysis on X, Bitcoin's performance tends to be significantly weaker during US election years compared to non-election years. Peterson attributes this weakness to increased uncertainty surrounding election outcomes, which creates market volatility and drives more cautious behavior among investors. Peterson explained that Bitcoin's price could, however, record more gains in November and December as investors get a clearer picture of the effects of the political outcomes. Meanwhile, fellow analyst Archie, founder of Bitcoin Archive, believes after recording a green September, Bitcoin could continue gaining momentum during the last quarter of 2024, setting a 6-figure target for Bitcoin by the end of the year. And Whale on X also added, "You've probably seen this screenshot a lot, October, but what you haven't been shown, October never really started on October 1st. Here's when the parabolic moves that drove the returns you see in the image actually started. 2023 on October 15th, 2021 on October 5th, 2020 on October 11th, and 2017 on October 11th. Don't cancel October yet, believe in something." Cardano has entered the spotlight again with the Midnight Protocol testnet. Per the latest update, the Midnight Protocol announced that its long-awaited testnet is now live for developers. Cardano first introduced the Midnight Protocol as a privacy solution in 2023. Since then, the team has invested time developing it for the full rollout. As announced, the testnet will test out important features that can guarantee a stable sandbox environment for the protocol. With Midnight, developers will have the opportunity to build functional applications. While many alternative protocols exist that can offer this capability, with Midnight, user-sensitive data is protected. To achieve this testnet function, the Cardano protocol said it's expanded its capabilities and hardened the network's code base to reduce the need for regularly scheduled chain resets when upgrading. Ultimately, the overall enhancement will bolster Cardano as a protocol and aid a price in the long run. When Midnight completes its testnet and finally goes live on mainnet, it's bound to enhance the appeal of ADA. At the time of writing, the price of ADA has nosedived and is trading around 35 cents, down by about 7% in the past 24 hours. This price fall is not unexpected as the broader market has slipped into the bear zone lately. The fall has now derailed the positive streak of ADA price over the past week when the coin entered the top 10. Starting this week, INJ 3.0 enters the first phase, which aims to dramatically reduce the injective token supply. This ultimately sets the stage for INJ to become one of the most deflationary assets in all of crypto. INJ, the native asset of Injective, serves as the cornerstone of the ecosystem, boasting a myriad of utilities that span governance, protocol fees, security mechanisms, and beyond. However, the utility of INJ has always been highly unique, with features that cannot be found in any other asset. For example, Injective's burn auction has widely been lauded as a distinctive characteristic of INJ's tokenomics, as it collects, auctions, and burns accumulated network fees on a weekly basis. In the most recent update to INJ 2.0, this mechanism expanded to include all DApp network fees, capturing the protocol value that came from the growth within the ecosystem. In turn, the burn auction experienced a surge in activity, witnessing a substantial increase in the amount of INJ burned weekly. And as Injective continues to onboard new users and dApps at a rapid pace, the need for further enhancements becomes evident in order to accommodate the growing ecosystem. Enter INJ 3.0, the next evolutionary step in the journey of Injective. The Injective community voted overwhelmingly in favor of IIP 392 to launch INJ 3.0 moving forward. Timed with the Bitcoin halving, the INJ 3.0 governance proposal aimed to decrease the supply of INJ over the next 2 years, with accelerating rates of deflation based on the ratio of staked INJ on-chain. Injective has increased the rate of deflation by a factor of 400%. This specific token supply rate change parameters ensure that Injective remains adaptive and resilient. Injective will adjust its monetary policy in real time, reacting swiftly to fluctuations in staking activity. As a result, as more INJ is staked, the deflationary properties will increase faster.